everyone, and welcome back. Today we're watching some more Teen Wolf. We're at season 5 episode 4, and this one is titled Condition Terminal. That's what the guys said when they killed Tracy. Tracy? I think it was Tracy. When they killed her. Condition Terminal. There was some weird silver colored liquid coming out of her mouth. I'm guessing that's not good. So yeah, I just want to know like what made her condition terminal and how they're doing what they're doing, because it's kind of crazy. So yeah, let's get into it.
You can last longer than that. Don't think about the flame. Don't think about the heat.
What happened?
Oh, it was too hot. My thumb was too close to the flame.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm walking in the woods carrying a body. It is completely burned. I can't see who it is or who it was.
Where are you taking it?
A clearing. There's a huge tree in the middle of it. You'd think it was 1,000 years old, but it's been cut down. It's just a stump. I put the body down. I lay it on the rings of the trees, and...
What?
Nothing. That's it. That's the end of the drink.
Is it?
I only know one trick, and it's with the playing card.
She's like a fox? Fire fox? A fire kitsune. You gonna kill him too? They're magical?
It's okay. She's alright.
Tracy. Fine. Help Tracy.
Silas.
Go.
Come on, Silas.
They were strong, Styles. They had a weapon. Styles, I didn't do this.
Okay, she's not changing back. We're gonna need to get her out of here.
Okay, absolutely not. This is a crime scene. We call the coroner.
I think the coroner might be very confused by this girl's severed reptilian tail.
I don't care.
Gonna complete his transformation or whatever. Oh. I thought there was something between the... Those are Wendigo teeth, right?
9.
Oh no! What? She been infected? What?
Sorry to interrupt. A werewolf with the talons of an eagle. Possibly a shapeshifter. Known in Eastern mythology as a Garuda. Tracy's claws, the unmistakable claws of a werewolf. But a werewolf who also bears the venom and the scales of a cannibal.
So they're mixing the...
What do you even call that?
Personally, I call it terrifying.
She was
She wasn't
injected.
born, and she wasn't bitten. She had to have been made.
Made.
mimic supernatural creatures with non-supernatural means.
That's kind of cool.
Layton said he found another hole out in the woods.
Can you teach me?
You want to learn jujitsu in the hand?
That's why at the
I want to learn how to fight.
first episode she was like, yeah.
Can you teach me?
Who's fucking people up?
Yeah. I can teach you.
Yes, Kira.
Can there be more than one species in the same DNA?
No, but there can be multiple sets of DNA in the same individual. We call that a chimera. Anyone know where that term comes from?
Okay, so he's gonna probably be werewolf / Wendigo.
You're lucky they're allowing me to talk to you. They don't usually do that. They're not giving me much time either. See, these guys, they believe in numbers. They have results. Whether or not you die. By the way, this is your psych evaluation for when you apply to be a sheriff's deputy. See, real pain is emotional pain. That is the kind of pain that lasts. And if you want to cause Zelensky devastating, soul-crushing, emotional pain,
No.
don't go after him.
Theo.
Go after someone he loves.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm not
You didn't
surprised.
see Lydia? No.
I'm not
Tried to get my
surprised.
free period, but she's still in the ICU.
People in masks.
Do they not believe her? Every time she says the people in masks, they're like, what's up with her?
I said I'd let you in, not him.
She said I could
She
have
been
I didn't say plus Liam.
I'm a spy, Tim.
infected?
Wait a minute. Forget it. I don't have to go in. No, you're coming.
Oh,
So is this club mixed? Ish. Oh, what's happening to him?
It's the pain. Nothing's working. We've already pumped him full of morphine.
And can't they do anything to help him?
Put him in a medically induced coma. It's how we help burn victims deal with pain.
Let me see if I can help.
ah. Oh no, is he? Oh no. Did it go in Scott? Like,
What is that?
The lab says scorpion venom.
Scorpion.
I know. That's not the weirdest part. Because a sting this bad means that he should have been dead 10 hours ago. And the scorpion that stung him would have been 10 feet tall.
Please tell me that doesn't mean there's a giant scorpion running around Beacon Hills.
Lucas.
Who's Lucas?
what the fuck is Lucas? Lucas is a. Ooh. I did not like that one bit.
He's never been like that before.
Like what?
Aggressive?
A scorpion?
We were taking it slow, but it wasn't me. He was the shy one. And then we're hanging out today, and it's like he was a different person.
No. Weren't you with the other guy? No, don't hurt him. Don't. Ooh. Oh.
They're turning into a half scorpion, half werewolf.
God, I love you.
Is that the first time? He always, like, the first time he kissed her, it was like a, so, like, not, it was random. And then same thing, God, I love you. Come on, Scott. Oh no. Who's that? Oh, that's Liam. Doctor. The Dread Doctors. Oh! The Dread Doctors? Why not? Hashtag Kira is losing it. Why is she losing it all of a sudden?
Is everyone okay?
And why wouldn't we kill him? He's evil.
Please give me a hand.
I get that it's probably not his fault, right? What?
Why did you do that?
Condition terminal.
What does that mean?
Because you're always gonna be involved. Because not only do you have the power to do something, you care enough to do it.
That's what I love about Scott.
I want to find out who did this. And I'm gonna stop them.
That's right. And Theo is a part of this. How? Did he summon the Dread Doctors? Are they like mystical creatures too, or they're just people in masks? They make weird noises, like clacking noises. Parish? Getting rid of the bodies? Oh no, he's gonna get attacked. Oh yeah, I don't think that's gonna cut it this time, Styles. No. You don't touch Styles. No. Makes sense that he would go after Styles. He's like mad at Stilinski, his dad, so of course he's gonna go for Styles. They found out that they're basically creating these hybrid creatures, like they mix two DNAs in one person, kind of. So we had a fucking scorpion / werewolf. You have to be very creative to come up with that. Yeah, like they seem to all make them into werewolves, but with a little extra something. Tracy was werewolf Kanema, the other one was like a werewolf with a bird talons. This one is werewolf with scorpion, and I don't know what else they're trying to do, like a werewolf Wendigo. And why did Kira try to kill that guy? Like, I was like, oh yeah, let's kill him. But still, like, I don't understand why she would. And then the hashtag Kira is losing it. Like, why? It's not like we've seen some weird behavior from her that we can see that, like, yeah, she's being a little weird. And now she just tried to kill someone? We didn't talk about it after. It's just like he stopped her. They looked at each other and it was over. The moment was over. But still, it's very scary that they're creating all of these fucking monsters. And like they said, they're being made. It's not like they've been bitten or, you know, or born with it. They're all like made. So that's why I guess that they say sometimes the condition is terminal. Maybe it's not turning out the way they would want it to be because it's not natural. So they get rid of them. But it's like, you can't just like do tests like that and just kill them off. And the fact that Theo is included in that and he's a part of it is very, very bad, because they're choosing people, they're injecting them with shit, and then they're killing them if it's not working. That's pretty evil. That's really evil. And now he sent that when to go after Styles. So yeah, that was season 5, episode 4, Condition Terminal. It was really good. So I'll see you for the next episode, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.